Stop waiting minutes for your generations. Meet Zimage Turbo that delivers photorealistic results in sub-second speeds using just 8 steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Zimage Turbo GGUF in ComfyUI. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. I will use the built-in prompt in the workflow. We will run the workflow. The results are very nice and realistic, even though we only use the GGUF version. I will try another prompt. The results are extremely accurate to the prompt and beautiful. I will try to change the image ratio to see what the result will be. And that is how you unlock lightning-fast inference on your local machine. If this workflow saved you time, hit that like button and drop a comment below on what you're planning to create with Zimage. Don't forget to subscribe for more high-efficiency ComfyUI workflows. See you in the next one.